Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss measures to correct excess and deficient demand. We will discuss fiscal policy. Fiscal policy refers to the revenue and expenditure policy of the government to correct the situations of excess and deficient demand in the economy with a view to achieve growth with stability. Components of fiscal policy: government expenditure, taxes, public borrowing, borrowing from RBI. Government expenditure and taxes are in our syllabus. Government expenditure. In the case of excess demand, government should curtail its expenditure on public works like roads, building, irrigation works. It will reduce the money income of the people. It will reduce the level of aggregate demand in the economy. So, excess demand is corrected. During deflation, government should increase its expenditure on public works. It will increase the money income of the people. It will increase the level of aggregate demand in the economy. So, deficient demand is corrected. Revenue policy, taxes. What is a tax? Tax is a compulsory payment to be made to the government by households and producers. In case of excess demand, government will impose new taxes and increase the rate of existing taxes. It will reduce the disposable income. Consumption and investment will fall. Aggregate demand is reduced and excess demand is corrected. During deficient demand, government will not impose new taxes and decrease the rate of existing taxes. It will increase the disposable income. Consumption and investment will increase. Aggregate demand is increased, so deficient demand is corrected. Public borrowing or public debt. It refers to borrowing by the government by issuing certain securities. Increase in public borrowing. In the case of excess demand, government should raise loans from public and hence borrowing decreases the purchasing power of people by leaving them with lesser amount of money. Government should make long-term debts more attractive so that people may use their excess liquidity amount of money in purchasing these bonds, which will reduce the liquidity amount of money in the economy and inflation could be controlled. At the time of deficient demand, public borrowing should be reduced. People will have more money and more purchasing power. During period of deficient demand, government should adopt the pricing of deficit budget. All taken debts from public should be finished, paid back to increase money in the market. Borrowing from RBI at the time of excess demand. Borrowing from RBI should be reduced, and at the time of deficient demand, borrowing from RBI should be increased. Difference between monetary policy and fiscal policy. Monetary policy is the policy to control the supply of money in the economy. Fiscal policy refers to revenue and expenditure policy of the government. Monetary policy is pursued by Central Bank of a country, RBI in India. Fiscal policy is pursued by government of a country. Tools of monetary policy: quantitative tools, policy rates, bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate, policy ratios, CRR, SLR, and open market operations. and qualitative instruments, margin requirements, rationing of credit, moral suasion, tools of fiscal policy, taxes, government spending, public borrowing, and borrowing from RBI. Thank you.